What's up, guys? Welcome to Men About Cake. This is a very special episode because it's my birthday week. And I have a very special guest. Welcome, Miss Ijustine. Yay!
Thanks for having me.
So actually today is Justine's birthday and tomorrow is mine. So I thought that we can make secret birthday cakes for each other.
This is the best birthday ever.
Right?
Yes.
I'm putting you to work though, sorry.
I'm sorry, your cake's probably not gonna be as good.
No, don't say that. Ready? Let's do it!
This is aggressive.
So if you haven't seen it, Justine and I actually collabed last summer on her channel and we made two really awesome Nintendo Switch cakes. So we'll put the link below so you guys can go watch it. It was actually a really fun day.
I know, I was getting really excited just thinking about it. It was so much fun. I have learned so much from you.
Have you really?
Honestly, yes. It was, it was so great. And you left me with some really cool tools.
I did. Are you
Yes.
you're still
Oh,
using,
yes.
I see you use the mat, right?
Every
Okay.
time I'm like, my friend gave me this.
So today, do you think that you'll be able to use those things that I taught you to make a birthday cake for me?
So here's the thing. See, like I was getting really good and then I hadn't seen you for a while and then I just-
You plateaued? Oh, you went down!
Oh, I went downhill.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
so I'm working my way back up.
So this is how it's gonna work.
Okay.
You're gonna work a little, I'm gonna work a little. You're gonna work back and forth, we're not gonna see each other. And then at the end, grand reveal.
Okay.
But before we get started, I do have a little gift for you.
Oh, I love gifts. Oh, look what
Look,
I got a
dude,
little apron.
This just launched. You're the first one besides me to have one.
This is so exciting. Wow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And that'll keep you clean all day. I
Oh
think.
my goodness. We'll see.
All right.
You've seen my videos. I'm so excited about this, but I think you're really gonna enjoy it. At least, you know, I'm gonna put a lot of effort into it.
That's all that matters. That's all that matters. All right, I'm gonna leave you with them.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go hide and make your cake.
Okay.
I'm leaving my set, it's weird.
Don't worry, I will take
It's in good
great
hands,
care
it's in
of
good
it.
hands.
Do you guys have fire extinguishers? Well, now that Joshua's gone, the fun is about to begin. I am so excited. It's just crazy. Like, I watched so many videos of him shooting here, and now I'm here. Oh, I'm not worthy. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be making a gold play button. So here on YouTube, when you reach 1 million subscribers, YouTube sends you a gold play button. Now, they're not here yet, but they will be. And because there's a chance that I might not be on the show when they hit 1 million subscribers, I thought that I would make Joshua for his birthday a 1 million subscriber play button. So guys, if you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. So let's make this gold play button a cake reality, something. Okay.
What kind of cake you got there, Justine?
It's vanilla.
To start the cake, I'm gonna break down 4 8-inch chocolate rounds.
I guess I'm gonna get started. So, well, shoot. Okay, so I'm gonna just,
I just realized you're rocking a mustache, Joshua.
I have a ghost stash. It's like, you used to have a mustache, but now you left like a little bit of it. No, none of y'all know that ghost stash? It's a ghost stash. I'm pretty sure I made it off. Google it, James.
so I need to level this cake. Wow, look at that. Can I eat this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Okay. So we're gonna make it be about this size. Okay. So that's about the same size, I would say, you know, approximately. Oh yeah, you're looking good.
I'm gonna fill the cake now with chocolate buttercream and a little bit of cinnamon granola.
I always feel like Joshua does such a good job of icing and adding really cool, fun things inside of his cake.
It never gets old to me. It's always beautiful.
And I'm gonna put a little bit of extra because I like to be extra. That's what the kids say today. You're so extra. Like, what does that even mean? Okay.
What do you think Justine's making you?
I hope she's doing something really good, but oftentimes it turns into a hot mess. She has good intentions and then it goes south. But I feel like we've got everything she needs, right?
Now we're gonna get some Butterfinger to put on this first layer. I need to make sure that this tastes okay. Butterfinger dusted? Wow.
Granola, so good. Squish.
This is gonna be the Dorito layer.
All right, first trip to the cooler, then we'll cut the sides, crumb coat, and final coat.
Now this is the crumb coat, ladies and gentlemen. And then we're gonna pop this in the cooler. And then while that's cooling, I'm gonna do something else. So we got the cake, it is out of the cooler and it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna do our final coats. Oh, now we're gonna get to use this. Oh, look at this, this is perfection. I am so talented. I think this is good enough. Let's get to the fondant.
All right, for the top of the cake, I'm going to recreate Justine's dog, Maddy. He's super cute and she's super obsessed with him. But I think that for her to see him on top will be like the icing on the cake. So I got some white modeling chocolate. He's like a white poodly, like a Maltipoo, or a pooey maltal. I don't know what he's a mix. Look at him.
Aww.
So I'm just gonna get his body shape first, then we'll add a couple of legs, a tail, and then we'll put his head on with skewers. So I'm just gonna get the general shape here.
Now it's time to cut out our play button out of fondant. So let's see if I can remember how to do this. Oh boy. Oh, look what we've got. A little bubble. Stab, stab, jab, jab. Okay, let's try this again. Take two. Looks good to me.
He's really curly, which makes this super easy, because I can get all his pieces on, and then I'm gonna take the sugar shapers and make all of his hair. Leg number 2. We'll pretend like he's sitting on one leg, and then we'll have one leg coming out on this side. I'm gonna start putting in some fur. If you drag lines through, like straight hair, this dog has curly hair, so we will curl it. And then you go back and kind of do like this figure 8. Look at that curly hair. So the front's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put his head on. We're gonna do it all at once. We're gonna get his ears too. He's got these fun little poofy ears on the side. All right, I'm gonna add a couple skewers to support his mug here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark where his eyes are gonna be. And we'll mark where his nose is gonna be, but I'll put his nose on after. And I'm gonna curl his ears too, because they're curly. All right, I'm gonna noodle this for a little bit, then we'll come back and add his eyes and his nose and his tail.
Oh, we're gonna use Linda's cake. I'll just do one more just in case. Oh, it's good, yep. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the cake out and I'm gonna cover the entire thing in fondant.
All right, so I got him where I want him. Before I put the eyes and the nose on, I'm just dusting underneath it because he has a little color around his eyes and he has a little color around his nose and in his beard and then around his feet, which I dusted a brown color. He's gonna be so cute. She's gonna love it. Sweet, all right, I'm gonna put his little nose on.
All right, the one thing that I have learned is you gotta powder up your surface here, I think. Okay, I think that's enough.
You gotta look at me. You have no eyes, buddy. I need you to hold on to your eyes, okay? Okay, you can do that for me. That's how you talk to a dog. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of shininess to his nose and his eyes, so it looks wet with some shine spray. I can guarantee you she's having fun. She always has fun.
Here's where it gets tricky. This is where I realize that I'm out of shape when I'm rolling fondant. I'm like, wow. Okay, I don't think I'm really making any progress. Oh, I just rolled my hair. How does he make it look so easy?
I'm just flipping that fondant over the cake.
This part always stresses me out.
It stresses me out too because like, I'm just
gonna smooth it with my hands.
just gonna caress it a little, give it a little love.
Well, I want it to be very colorful. So we're doing pink on the bottom tier, and then I made a separate 6-inch top tier that's yellow, like bright yellow.
I'm gonna just give this a little cut so I can get rid of some of this excess.
All right, now I'm going to stack my cake with bubble tea straws, put Maddy on top, and then we're gonna decorate the whole thing. Yellow tier.
Alrighty. We've got our cake all covered in fondant, and now I've got 2 options for triangles. Let's see. That actually looks pretty good. Wow, okay.
And we'll put Maddy up on top. He's not very heavy, so I think he'll be okay not being supported. How cute is he? So cute. All right, I cut out this fun little shape, and actually, I just traced with an edible marker the Ijustine logo.
And then I'm gonna just add a little bit of this glue to it.
Little royal icing.
This looks like pretty good. Wow, wow. So now we're gonna paint it gold.
On the bottom tier, I'm gonna cover it in colorful polka dots in all different sizes. These are just pieces of fondant that I cut out using the end of tips and round cutters. Now I'm gonna take white royal icing and do borders on the top and the bottom and a little bit of catch light on all of the sprinkles.
All right, now's the time. I'm so nervous. Should I start from the top? Because like Drake's usually like start from the bottom, then you're here. We're gonna start at the top because Drake doesn't know what he's talking about. All right, well, that's it. Now it's time to give it to Joshua.
So I took some birthday candles and put them onto toothpicks and then wrapped them in colorful fondant. So then we could light the candles. So I found some fun little truffle donuts and cupcakes, and since Justine likes to bake so much, I'm gonna add them around the cake. For my last step, I'm gonna put the hat on Maddy and add some sprinkles. Let's get a cupcake for his mom. All right, and then we're gonna add the rest of the cupcakes and donuts just in random places. Now just to touch a couple of things up, and then we'll give it to Justine. It's time for the grand reveal.
I'm so excited.
I am too.
What do you think I made you?
I literally have
Like just one simple guess.
No idea. Probably has metallic on it because I like metallic stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it does.
Oh, did I get it? I'm gonna show you so bad. Can we do it? 1.
Wait, hold on. Are you ready?
2, 3.
Oh my gosh! That is so much cooler than mine! Oh,
That's YouTube. I love it.
But this has some special meaning.
Is that like a Webby award?
Well, kind of. When you hit 1 million subscribers, YouTube sends you a gold play button. So, this is for your future 1 million subscribers because this is one of my favorite channels. So I'm so excited.
That's so sweet.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
But wait, this is Maddy.
Yes, and I talked about it a lot. She's obsessed with a dog. So Maddy, and then sprinkles, and then all the stuff you love to bake.
This is so incredible.
And then of course, Ijustine
And
on
my
the
little
front.
name, that's even actually my real logo font.
I know.
I am so impressed. So my favorite part of when it's time to cut, the knife slide. So this has a very special ingredient. You've got to guess what it is. Ready?
Yes.
Look at that.
Should we cheers?
Yes. Here we
There
go. Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think it is?
Caramel and Doritos.
And what else?
Salt.
Butterfinger.
Butterfinger.
Yes!
It's actually really good. I gotta make a Dorito cake.
You should. This is so awesome. Thank you so much.
Doritos in a cake?
Yes,
Blew my
it's-
mind.
it's
I'm gonna
something.
have to redo it and I'll put a little twist on it. Maybe we'll call it the Ijustine.
Let's do it.
You'll have your own cake flavor.
I love it.
Because you have to come back.
I will.
And happy
Yes.
birthday, by the way.
Happy birthday to you too,
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yes. Be sure to subscribe to her channel, guys. It's hilarious. She makes funny baking videos. Her sister's funny. Her dog's always on it. And anything tech you want to know that's coming out, this girl's gonna unbox it. Trust me, I've spent a lot of money on things she told me to buy.
Well, you guys better subscribe to
Yes,
the
I want one of
channel
these.
too, because you need to have the real, actual gold-plated play button. It'll be amazing.
Join me next week. We're gonna start a wedding cake series. It's gonna be awesome. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Look at my new hat. Oh no. I don't have time for this. I gotta work on my fondant.
My cake is your cake. Hers is her cake too. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday.
All right, cake number 1.
I need a bubble popper.
Oh.
Wait, you have bubbles to pop?